Hello my lovelies, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make yellow split pea soup or sopa de arvejas, so come along. I have 1 cup of split peas which I've soaked overnight. I'm now going to add 1 liter of water to my pot. I'm going to place a lid on it and bring it to a boil. As it comes to a boil, you might find some type of foam that is starting to form. It is completely normal. What I usually do is that I spoon it out little by little. It'll probably be doing this for about a minute or 2. So don't worry about that. Why it happens, I have no scientific clue, but I know that it does, and the only thing I do is just spoon it out. So while my arvejas, or yellow split peas, are boiling, I have here some diced onions, some bell peppers, some garlic, oil, and a dash of hot sauce. I'm going to saute this for a while, just until the onion gets a little bit translucent. I'm going to be adding all of this to my arvejas later on. Next, I'm going to add these sauteed vegetables to my pot. I'm going to add bay leaf, some salt, some pepper, and a little bit of chicken stock seasoning and annatto seed paste, which is basically achote y gallinita in Spanish. So even though I had pre-soaked my split peas the night before for more than 12 hours, for some reason it was taking forever, absolutely forever for them to come and tenderize. And I had no idea why. It kept boiling and boiling and boiling until an hour and a half later. That's when I decided to call my mom and say, "Mom, why are these peas taking so long?" That's when my mom was like, "Oh, darling, have you not heard of the pressure cooker?" I was like, "Pressure cooker?" She's like, "Yeah, you just place everything in it, put on the lid, crank up the heat, and 30 minutes later, you have your beautiful soup." Seriously. The pressure cooker is the king of all cooking pots in my eyes now. And voila, after an hour and a half, I got my delicious yellow split pea soup or sopa de arvejas. I now know about the pressure cooker and I will not be fooled twice. I went out and got one and I'll be using that for now on. 30 minutes versus an hour and 30 minutes, of course, there is no doubt about it. I hope you enjoyed this video today. I thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe and I'll be back with some more delicious recipes for you from my home to yours.